Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this super smoky, dark, purpley look. I was inspired by Selena to do a purpley look today and I came up with this. It's a little smokier, but either way, I really hope you guys are excited to see it and thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am back in my kitchen. I think I'm gonna start calling these the Kitchen Chronicles or something like that. Either way, our office is just a little messy right now because Jared's working from home, so the kitchen is where I am today. But I already have my foundation and my eyebrows done. Nothing new, so that's why I'm just skipping through it. Also, my eyebrows are kind of stressing me out today, so if they look wonky, just let's not talk about it. But anyways, yeah, I am wearing my Selena shirt today. It is her anniversary, so I'm feeling a little Selena inspired. I obviously can't listen to her music because YouTube will get mad, but I think I am going to do a purple look today, and I'm going to use this stack from Melt Cosmetics. This is the She's in Parties stack, and yeah, so we'll see what I come up with. So I'm going to start with a super warm brown, and I'm going to be using this Morphe M535, and the brown shade is from a Colourpop palette, and it is called Note to Self. My palette is like super crusty looking, so I don't want to show it to you, but it's just a regular old warm brown that you can find in any palette, and I'm just gonna throw that all over the crease. Next, I am going to use this shade right here with the Morphe 139, and this is called Last Caress. And I'm going to just sort of really focus that in the crease without blowing it out to totally cover up that warm shadow. Now I'm going to take this color on the outer corner, which is called Mean Streak, and I'm going to jump back and forth between these two Morphe brushes. These are the M411 and the E36. And I'm also going to go back in with that first eyeshadow, which it was Last Caress, just to sort of marry the two colors together. Okay, now that I look like I got punched in the face, I am going to be adding this shade to the lid, which is She's in Parties. And I'm going to apply that using this flat brush from Morphe. This is the M421. It's actually a concealer brush, but who cares? Okay, I am going to finish my face really quickly off camera, and then I will be right back to finish the bottom lash line. Okay, now that I have finished my face and sort of cleaned everything up, I am going to do the bottom lash line, and I want to sort of keep the same effect of sort of the purples really concentrated and then blown out with the warm brown eyeshadow. So I'm going to mix together the two purples we used and I'm going to apply that along the lash line with this brush. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and I don't think it has a number or a name, but it's just a super flat brush. And then I am going to blend those purples out with this brush. This is from Luxie, and this is the, let's see, it looks like it says 12L Mini Tapered. These two are my fave combo for my bottom lash line. So I'm feeling like that purple line is sort of just really super defined and not blending out as much as I want it to. So I'm going to go in with this Luxie 245 brush and that lighter purple, which was Last Caress, just to sort of try to marry all of the colors together so that it's sort of a gradient rather than purple and brown. I want them to sort of all blend into each other. Lastly, I am going to be using this sparkly shade from the palette, which is called Skeleton Kiss, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corner, and then I think I am going to use it as a highlighter also. I'm gonna try to lightly use it because it's super pigmented, but we'll see how it works out. And then finally for my eyes, I'm going to just be applying some mascara. I'm not going to be applying any false lashes today. I recently got a lash lift, so I feel like they will be hopefully dramatic enough. I got the lash lift when it was acceptable to go outside, so don't come for me for that. Okay, and finally for lips, I'm going to be using this lip liner, which I'm pretty sure I've used in a video before, but this is from Vintage, and this is in the shade Mocha. And then I am going to be using this super special lipstick. Let me get it turned around for you. This is the Selena and MAC collaboration. This is the Amor Prohibido lipstick. I just think this is so special, and they're about to release another collection, another Selena collection, so I'm just so excited. My sister and I bought everything from this last collection, and I bought 2 of all the lipsticks. That way I could use one and then save the other, you know, just to collect it. But anyways, I'm super excited for that, so maybe I'll do a video when the new collection comes out. Who knows? Alright you guys, that is it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know what you think down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I think that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.